In this video, we are going to create a quiz with some questions, and then we're going to assign specific expectations or learning goals to each individual quiz question. So each question can have different expectations or learning goals being covered, so that when we use our mastery view in grades, you'll be able to see the progress on each of the individual expectations or learning goals. So in order to do this, we're going to go to our quizzes. Now notice we have a quiz here that I've already created called polynomial quiz. So if I go to edit this quiz, you'll notice that we have 3 different questions here that I've already created. So for example, if we wanted to add expectations to each of these questions separately, we would have to go to Add Edit Questions. And then in order to add them, we just check the question. For example, this true-false question here, we would select it and then go to More Actions and Align to Expectations. And we'll see these learning goals that have been created. Now this one has to do with the properties of terms and polynomials. So we're going to select that and then go to Align. Just like that. Now it's got the expectation there. This question, we're going to align to expectations, a different one, and this time we're going to put simplifying polynomials. And then this question has to do with the distributive property. So we're going to align it to the distributive property one we created, and there we go. So now once we're done, we have these expectations set, and we can go back to the settings for our quiz. And now each of those questions has those expectations aligned, so that when we go into the mastery view, we'll be able to see exactly what it looks like. So if we go to grades here, and then we go to our enter grades, you can see this is the traditional view. But now if we click on mastery, what you see is that we have these 3 learning goals here, or expectations. And as these students complete the quizzes, you'll be able to see the progress of those individually. And also, if they occur in other places, it'll be a cumulative score of that learning goal here in all of these different columns. So that's what the mastery view will now show you once you've done that.